Okay, just a quick one. It's very, possible or most likely that GBP Australian dollar might, find its way up from, this current position. Okay, and I really cannot be this sure or be this certain that this price here or this point here, has found is lower low. Okay, while this point here, but if price eventually breaks beneath this, then we should be looking at it coming close to this place. But where with what we have here, if price is able to break above here, this price level at 1.9185, and also we'll be looking to buy from anywhere around here or anywhere around here. Okay, so that's it. But before then, let's quickly look at what we have on GBPUSD. Because that was the first analysis I gave today, that price was there's possibility of price not breaking below 1.2616, and here is it. All right, so this is 1.2616. This is the price level that I said if price does not break below this, definitely we should be looking at buying anywhere from here, anywhere above this point. Okay, so and so far so good. Price has only moved just a little, a little fraction, about 10-12 pips, 8 to 12 pips. So far so good, the price has moved. So now we go back to GBP Australian dollar, and see what we can do with a little analysis about what we currently have. So if price doesn't break, this is the lower low. Okay, and this is another low here. So I'm currently looking at price breaking above this price level at 1.9185, and then if it does, we'll just only have to look for a little, okay, let's say price moves above this line, then a little pullback. Okay, just a little pullback, then we fire our shot, or we'll shoot a shot, okay, to anywhere that price will take us for the rest of this, or today, or maybe next week even, or the beginning of maybe next week, Monday, Tuesday. All right, but just so we are sure of what we are doing, it's better to take every advantage that comes. It's better to take advantage of every opportunity that comes one way. Like a very good friend will always say, trade what you see, not what you expect, or trade what you see and not what you think. Okay, just analyze the market, and the next thing is be very sure of your sentiment, and then follow your pattern, and you will see that one way or the other you will be the trading strategy for yourself and for your business in the world of financial trading. So that's good about that. Then I also have I need to clean this. Then I also have AUD New Zealand, although it has moved a little bit, but I want to be sure that I'm still on the right page with it. This high, this is the highest it has moved. So far so good this week. Okay, and I want to be very sure, very certain about that. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's the highest it has moved. So far so good this week. So we will be looking at price not breaking like it did. You can see all the barriers it has broken. So far so good. One will be thinking that we gotten a high here and to price broke it, and here also you'll be thinking, okay, maybe this could be the highest high until price broke this previous high, and it also did the same thing here. So but in this regard, one will just, you know, keep an eye on this present high, or this highest high that we have here, and be expecting or be hoping that price is going to give you, you know, other, you know, highs that are low to this high. Okay, I'm just using a, you know, a layman's language so that, you know, it can be easy for, you know, us to understand it. You know, a lot of people find it very difficult to, you know, deal with all those big terminologies in the world of financial trading. So this is a high that is highest, and this is a high that is lower to this high. Okay, so if you're able to get this, then price comes, oh sorry, let me use the right tool. Maybe price, you know, falls below, you know, this point, and then, you know, gives us a low here, and it breaks, and price breaks this low. Definitely I think it will be worth it to start looking for a sell opportunity with AUD New Zealand. So for now, these are the two that I have, you know, got my eyes on, aside the GBP USD, you know, that I'm currently trading. Okay, so these are the two that I've got my eyes on. So far so good. GBP USD is good, it's moving on well, and I'm kind of like still looking for more trades to come my way with focus on GBP Australian dollar, all right, and also AUD New Zealand, that is the Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar, for price to maybe, okay, fall. So I don't know, I may, before the end of the day, I might still have opportunities to, you know, trade other ones, or to see or analyze other ones, but as so far so good, whatever I'm analyzing is what I am trading. Okay, I just have to find a perfect entry and then, you know, shoot the shot. All right, but the most important thing is me, or one of the most important things are these tools that I'm using. All right, they, you know, serve me very well. I mean, when I say very, I mean very well. So these tools serve me very well. So it helps me to know the psychological levels, and to, you know, look at where are the possible areas where price can, you know, shift from, and also where price can move to. All right, so that's the beauty of it. Anyways, until the next video, please don't forget GBP Australian dollar possible buy, then AUD New Zealand possible sell. So let's hope, you know, it goes our way. All right, thank you very much, and bye.